Hello and welcome to Nadelicious channel, where I share with you delicious keto carnivore recipes that help you commit to your weight loss journey. Today's recipe is tiramisu. We will need 4 egg whites, 4 yolks, 300 grams mascarpone cheese, 250 milliliter heavy cream, half a tablespoon sweetener of your choice. I like erythritol, quarter a tablespoon of vanilla, half a tablespoon of baking powder, some unsweetened cocoa powder for decoration, 3/4 of a cup of almond flour. Put the egg yolks in the mixing bowl. Add the sweetener, the vanilla, baking powder, and the almond flour and mix thoroughly until it's well mixed. Like this. Now, in a clean bowl, add the egg whites and beat them until you have a nice meringue. Add the almond yolk mix and fold into the meringue. Keep folding until there isn't any lumps. Pour in an oven dish and bake in the oven on 300 Fahrenheit. Bake it until it's golden. It usually takes 7 to 10 minutes. Now we will prepare the filling. Pour the heavy cream and mix until it's whipped cream. Like this. Then you can add the mascarpone cheese and mix. If you want, you can add more vanilla for the flavor and even more sweetener. It's up to you. And it also depends on the mascarpone you are using because some brands are sweeter than the others. So the best way to do it is to taste and decide if you would like to add more sweetener or not. Now the lady's fingers replacement is ready. You can cut it in any shape or form you want. You can have the traditional lady's fingers shape, or you can cut it in squares, round, it's up to you. I use the coffee cup to cut the bottom part, and I use the dessert bowl to cut the top part. I will dip it in the espresso coffee, put a layer of the cream, and repeat. When done filling, you can smooth it out with a knife. For this one, I put the cream first because my husband likes extra cream. And continued with the same process. Once finished and smoothed out, put a layer of unsweetened cocoa powder and voila! Who said you can't have dessert on diet? I hope you will enjoy this recipe and I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback. Please give this video a thumb up and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for watching.